In this video, we are going to prove a very well-known statement wrong. We'll bust the misconception that working hard equals being rich. You know those motivational quotes that keep popping up on our social media feeds? To be honest, they may not hold up in the real world. We'll go into detail on why working hard may actually keep you impoverished. So saddle up and get ready to have your assumptions questioned. Let's get into it, guys. Quotes, with their lyrical wisdom and motivating charm, frequently act as beacons of inspiration, illuminating the path to achievement. They have a unique ability to arouse passion and act as motivators for hard work, making them excellent companions for individuals traveling the grueling route of wealth accumulation while sitting at a desk. But first, let's take a reality check. Brace yourselves, for as we approach 2024, those encouraging statements that promise limitless success may require a second look. You're slaving away at your computer, convinced that hard work will inevitably lead to financial success. It is a tale that has become ingrained in the collective consciousness thanks to upbeat posters and inspirational quotes that adorn office walls. And guess what? People admire them. What if, in 2024, the once revealed phrases are nothing more than hollow echoes? Now let's prepare for a dose of reality. Only 16% of people who have spent half their lives in poverty have successfully scaled the social ladder to bask in the warmth of wealth in less than 2 decades. This astonishing statistic pushes us to confront the hard reality that the path from poverty to riches is a difficult one, beset with difficulties, and far from the romanticized narratives sometimes propagated by motivational maxims. The ambition of quickly overcoming financial barriers through hard work alone is perhaps a little utopian. So what does this mean for the desk-bound dreamer who works hard under the notion that success is just a motivational phrase away? It's a call to rethink expectations and recognize the intricacies woven into the fabric of socioeconomic mobility. The sad reality is that the path to riches is a complicated maze, not always paved with the simplicity that inspiring quotations would have us believe. As we enter the unknown territory in 2024, let us embrace a nuanced perspective, one that recognizes the limitations inherent in the quest for prosperity. It is not a matter of abandoning motivational mantras, rather, it is a matter of infusing them with a good dose of reality. Because in this volatile terrain, success is a combination of resilience, strategic judgments, and, let's face it, a little bit of luck. So, before you place all of your expectations in a motivational catchphrase, consider the intricacies of the trip ahead. It's a journey that takes more than simply tenacity at a desk. It necessitates a deep knowledge of the delicate dance between effort and circumstance. These figures represented people who worked or went to school on a regular basis. In short, those who worked hard, but only a few of them, were able to escape poverty. Let us know in the comments if it's true. We embark on a voyage into the depths of timeless knowledge, confronting the deep web of meaning behind an age-old adage that emphasizes the relationship between the complexity of a problem and the scarcity of those capable of solving it. The notion emerges in this tapestry of thought that the rarer the capacity to unravel difficult riddles, the more profound the benefits await those who possess the elusive keys to such enigmas. Doesn't it seem simple enough? However, inside this simplicity is a fundamental reality that many, including myself, frequently overlook, allowing its ramifications to slip through the cracks of our comprehension. Consider the Italian environment, where 73% of people, when asked to rate the importance of success ingredients on a scale of 1 to 10, give hard work the highest ranking of 10. This overwhelming consensus not only reflects a cultural ethos, but also fosters a pervasive illusion in which the terms success and hard work become inseparable, creating a narrative that glorifies relentless toil while unfairly casting those who are not visibly sweating into the shadowy realms of laziness. However, let us go deeper into this collective delusion and call its authenticity into doubt. A question might arise in your mind that, is the link between hard work and success as simple as it appears? The complicated dance of societal views frequently oversimplifies the equation, pushing the finer nuances to the margins. It is critical to recognize that the skill of solving complex problems necessitates more than simply obvious marks of effort. In its purest form, success entails a dynamic synthesis of abilities, creativity, and strategic thinking. When we recognize the multiplicity of talents, some may toil overtly, while others use a distinct, sometimes less visible set of skills to traverse the labyrinth of complexity, the illusion evaporates. As we travel down the hallways of this illusion, we must examine the very fabric of success myths sewn into the cultural tapestry. The disparity between those who appear to be ceaselessly engaged and others whose efforts are less visible begs for reconsideration. The idea that hard labor is the only road to success, without taking into account the varied talents required for complicated problem-solving, ought to be challenged. However, let us demolish this fallacy with some reality. The busy single mother juggling 3 jobs to support her children is far from lazier than the CEO glued to his desk, immersed in what appear to be essential phone calls. The relationship between hard work and riches is not as straightforward as conventional wisdom indicates. This mindset can be traced back to the Industrial Revolution, specifically the early 20th century, when Henry Ford's assembly line revolutionized productivity. Earnings at factories were directly linked to hours worked, and the harder one labored, the more one earned. Fast forward to now, and this association has become obsolete. In today's society, there are numerous avenues for gaining wealth, and the relationship between hard work and financial success has shifted. The story of working long hours and forsaking personal time for professional accolades is being challenged more and more. The fallacy is the idea that working late equals true satisfaction and considerable financial advantages. Consider the diligent employee who works tirelessly long hours to match their boss's expectations. Despite this dedication, the benefits are frequently meager, and any acknowledgement is usually postponed until the year-end assessment, which may not even keep up with inflation. The disadvantages of such a tenacious work ethic include sleep deprivation, a lack of work-life balance, and the deterioration of mental clarity and creativity, essential skills for problem-solving and effective solution production. When delving deeper into the domains of work culture, a startling finding emerges. Research highlights the contradiction that working longer hours does not always correlate to increased productivity. In fact, studies show that as time passes, weariness gradually takes hold, resulting in a drop in overall performance. This paradox raises an important question. What if we dare to question the usual narrative that promotes long hours of toil? Consider a paradigm shift in which we fight the gravitational pull of the grind and instead prioritize undiscovered areas of thought and innovation. It invites us to imagine a future in which those extra hours spent tethered to our desks become a playground for profound introspection and uninhibited creation. Consider yourself not the exhausted individual tirelessly typing away in the frigid glow of office lights at inconvenient hours. Instead, imagine yourself as a visionary, a change architect who spends valuable time unraveling the complexities of complex situations and conjuring inventive solutions. This isn't a fantasy, it's a deliberate shift of viewpoint that challenges the firmly ingrained belief that hard labor, measured in hours, is the sole key to opening the doors to prosperity and success. This redesigned story encourages us to take a more holistic approach, one that goes beyond the quantifiable indicators of time spent and into the intangible realm of job quality. This redesigned story encourages us to take a more holistic approach, one that goes beyond the quantifiable indicators of time spent and into the intangible realm of job quality. It encourages us to recognize that the route to success is a dynamic one. Instead of a monotonous march timed to the ticking of the clock, it values thought richness, mental clarity, and creativity. In essence, this paradigm shift encourages us to see success as a multifaceted tapestry woven with threads of innovative thinking and sophisticated problem-solving, rather than a linear equation with hard work as the primary variable. It is a tribute to the brilliance discovered in moments of clarity and the magic produced from creativity, elements that are frequently ignored in the tireless pursuit of perfection. So, let us rethink the story of effort and success, a story that goes beyond the normal confines of time restrictions. Let's embrace a vision in which every minute, free of the constraints of long hours, becomes an opportunity to carve our own route to riches. After all, true riches are found not in the tedious ticks of the clock, but in the symphony of thoughts and ideas that thrive when the mind is free of the never-ending grind. When it comes to building wealth, it's all about playing the long game. It's not just about hustling non-stop, but rather finding that sweet spot where hard work, creativity, and a deep understanding of the ever-changing landscape of success come together. So, let's embark on this strategic journey together and unlock the doors to financial prosperity in our modern world. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but the exciting adventure along the way. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more. Until next time.